Good morning all. Just a quick video because having had a Scania like this myself, I couldn't find any information on the internet about the coffee machine. So open the cupboard, there's the coffee machine. If you've got this type, this is the video you want, which hopefully you'll be able to follow and brew yourself some coffee. Now then, you can just see the numbers on here. 1, 2, that's about a cup each. So it goes up to 6, which is the maximum you should fill it. No fuller, because it will boil over. So if you put in about 1 cup, maybe just a bit over, you do that by lifting this lid. You take out the coffee pot, which is on a hot plate. Yeah, fill that with water as much as you want. Like I say, just over 1 will normally do it. You then put the coffee, what do you call it? Not the capsules, it takes the filter coffees. So you put the filters in here, and you'll notice that it's got a cutout section on the front, which needs to sit in the pot facing the front spout. I guess it's to let steam out. So, or you can just put fresh granules in, or a tea bag, or whatever you want, and it will filter through and fill the pot. So you then slide that back into there, make sure it's down properly, excuse me, and close the lid. Then you press the button on the bottom, 1 click and you'll hear it, and it's now on. I'm going to turn it off because I haven't got any water in it. That'll boil the water in here, which will proceed through and out of this spout here, down through the filter or coffee or tea bag or whatever you've got, into the pot. It's no way by any means boiling hot, but it will give you a fairly warm cup of coffee. So when it finishes, just leave it to do its own stuff. It works out how much water's in there and all the rest of it. When it finishes, it gives a bit of a hissing noise, and that's all that's doing is leave it to carry on, clearing the water that's left in the system via steam through here. It sort of blows it through. You'll then see this light turn green, and it will beep to let you know that it's finished. After that, open it up, get your coffee out, careful not to spill it, enjoy. One extra thing that it has got is a timer feature, and in order to activate that, you push this button, hold it for more than 2 seconds, and it will click and turn yellow. Each click after that is an hour, up to 12 hours. So you can set it, if you go to bed at 6 o'clock at night, I'm going to turn it off because again I haven't got any water in. So you can set it, for example, if you go to bed at, or you set it at 6 p.m, you can set it for 6 a.m. the next morning, and you'll wake up to a nice hot cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you want to see any more trucking videos, there's plenty in the playlists and on the channel. It's mostly European stuff, though there is some UK.